Hi and welcome to the Build, Restore, Repair channel. This video will show you how to replace a swimming pool light. So this is our swimming pool and one of our underwater light is busted. Water got inside the LED casing and unfortunately it's no longer turning on. This is actually a rare occurrence because the light is supposed to be watertight. I believe the water came in through the wire junction box. Sometimes it rains so much that the water in our pool overflows. Excess water may have made its way to the junction box and then into the pool light wire. The water then accumulated and destroyed the delicate electronics inside the casing. As you can see, the wire is not waterproof at the connection point. So what I did is waterproof the junction box so that if the pool water ever overflows, the wires inside will be free from any moisture. This is the replacement unit I bought online. Inside the box are the manual, remote control, some Torx and screws, the light bracket, and the LED pool light. Before installing, I went ahead and tested the new unit by connecting it to the existing power line. It's always wise to check if the unit is not faulty before proceeding with any installation. Using the provided remote control, I powered it on and the pool light is working perfectly. Now it's time to install the new unit to the pool wall. First step I did was replace the old wall bracket with the new one. Then I inserted a metal wire into the electric wire conduit so that I will be able to guide the pool light wire into the junction box. Then I sealed the entrance to the conduit with marine grade sealant to prevent pool water from making its way up into the junction box. The excess wires were then coiled behind the casing and the pool light installed and screwed to the new wall bracket. I then connected the pool light wires to the existing power source cables using some electrical tape. The end of the wires were then sealed to prevent water from going inside. This side of the electrical conduit was also sealed using marine grade sealant. I then covered the whole connection with an extra layer of electrical tape just to make sure. After that, I returned the junction box cover and it's now time to test the pool light. Everything worked fine and just like that we have a new working pool light. Super duper easy. This LED light came with a variety of functions and colors. It can give you a steady color light of your choice or you can have it fade in and out of different hues. You can also choose the speed of the color change if you wish. Pretty cool, huh? So what do you think? Comment your thoughts down below. I would love to hear from you. Anyway, thank you for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. See you on the next Build, Restore, Repair episode.